Hi everyone. So in this lecture we are going to discuss a new example. So that example is w is equal to xyz belongs to rs to 3 such that 4x minus 3y plus z equal to 0. So we only have to check this w is a subspace or not over this R3. So R3 is our vector space. R3 can also be written as r cross r and it is represented by xyz such that xyz, that is each element belongs to real number. So this is nothing but a vector space and it is a vector space with respect to addition or vector addition or usual addition and scalar multiplication. Now to check this w is a subspace of R3 or not, just consider this w as it is, that is this is our w. Now check its a 3 condition one by one. So check its a first condition, that is non-empty set. So by definition 0 0 and 0 which belongs to R3, yes it is a true. So आता ही condition satisfy होती है का check करूया. हे now place the values of x, y and z, that is x equal to 0 in place of x, y equal to 0 in place of this and here 0 in place of z. ही सगळी व्हॅल्यू ह्याच्यामध्ये पुट केल्यावर आन्सर किती यायला पाहिजे 0. जर ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय झाली तर गिवन इलेमेंट बिलॉंग होईल डब्ल्यू मध्ये. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज जस्ट कन्सिडर दिस इलेमेंट. सो कन्सिडर this 4x minus 3y plus z and we have a x is equal to how much 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Put that values here, that is 4 into 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 0 is equal to how much 0. So we have calculated this value, that is हे equation consider केलं आणि answer किती आलाय 0. So answer आपल्याला 0 आलाय. So therefore this element belongs to w because this element satisfied this condition, that implies 0 0 0 which belongs to w and w is a subset of rs to 3. म्हणजेच w मध्ये कमीत कमी element एक झालेला आहे. therefore w is non-empty subset of our given vector space, that is a R3. So this condition is nothing but this is your R3 set. यामध्ये w सेट असेल आणि त्यामध्ये एक इलेमेंट 0 0 म्हणजेच हा 0 0 0 बिलॉंग्स टू w आणि w सबसेट कुणाचा आहे rs to 3 and this is our condition. So w is a non-empty subset of rs to 3 and we denote this as a equation number 1. Now to check its a second condition, just consider two elements, that is let u1 and u2 belongs to w. So since u1 belongs to w देन u1 कुठल्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये असेल, ह्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये. सिमिलरली u2 जर w मध्ये असेल तर u2 सुद्धा याच फॉर्मॅटमध्ये असेल. सो ते लिहून घेऊया. सो u1 बिलॉंग्स टू w, दॅट इम्प्लाइज u1 कॅन ऑल्सो बी रिटन ॲज 4x1 मायनस 3y1 प्लस z1 इज इक्वल टू 0 सच दॅट x1 y1 z1 this triplet belongs to rs to 3. Similarly, as u2 belongs to w, then u2 can also be written as u2 equal to x2 y2 z2 belongs to R3 such that its a condition is 4x2 minus 3y2 plus z2 is equal to how much 0. So this is your condition of u2. Now you have already considered u1 belongs to w, u2 belongs to w. Now check its a addition u1 plus u2 is belongs to w or not. Consider u1 plus u2 is equal to first term of u1, that is x1 y1 z1 plus x2 y2 z2 is equal to, addition is possible because each contains three elements, that is x1 plus x2 comma second element will be y1 plus y2 comma z1 plus z2 and this is your u1 plus u2. सो ओनली काय चेक करायचं राहिलं आहे, हा इलेमेंट w मध्ये बिलॉंग करतोय का नाही आहे हे चेक करायचं. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज चेक दिस कंडिशन, दॅट इज 4x मायनस 3y प्लस z इक्वल टू 0. सो कन्सिडर 4x, x means we have a here x1 plus x2 minus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus last term is z1 plus z2. We have considered this equation. या इक्वेशनचा आन्सर जर 0 आला तर हा टर्म काय होईल w मध्ये बिलॉंग होईल. सो सेपरेट करून घ्या. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 4x1, हा सेकंड टर्म इथे घेऊया मायनस 3y1 प्लस लास्ट टर्म इज प्लस z1 प्लस सेकंड टर्म विल बी 4x2 मायनस 3y2 प्लस z2 and previously we have already obtained u1 is equal to 4x1 minus 3y1 plus z1 equal to 0. Similarly 4x2 minus 3y2 plus z2 equal to 0. So with the help of these two conditions, first term will be 0 plus second term will be 0, then its addition is 0. सो ह्या कंडिशनचा आन्सर जर 0 येत असेल तर हा डायरेक्टली इलेमेंट कशामध्ये बिलॉंग करेल, डब्ल्यूमध्ये. सो हेन्स वी हॅव ऑप्टेन u1 प्लस u2 बिलॉंग्स टू w, अँड दिस इज नथिंग बट फॉर ऑल u1 comma u2 belongs to w, and this is nothing but our condition number second, that is closure property with respect to addition, that is vector addition or usual addition, satisfied with respect to our vector space r raised to 3. Now to check its a third condition, so for that purpose just consider one element from field, that is let alpha be any scalar, and let one element from u belongs to w, that is u can also be written as triplet xyz which belongs to r raised to 3, such that its a condition is 4x minus 3y plus z is equal to 0. Now consider it's a multiplication, that is a scalar multiplication. So alpha dot u is equal to, take alpha as it is, u is equal to how much, this value, that is x comma y comma z. So that implies this element will be alpha x comma alpha y comma alpha z. Now to check this element belongs to w or not, just consider this condition. So consider करून घेऊया. एक्सच्या जागी आता काय पुट करणार आहे, अल्फा एक्स, वायच्या जागी पुट करूया अल्फा वाय, आणि झेडच्या जागी झेड पुट अल्फा झेड पुट करूया, आणि त्यांच्या सगळ्यांचे इक्वेशनचा आन्सर 0 आलं तर हा इलेमेंट गिवन इलेमेंट बिलॉंग कशात करेल, डब्ल्यूमध्ये. सो कन्सिडर करूया 4 टाइम्स एक्स म्हणजेच आता नवीन इलेमेंट अल्फा एक्स मायनस 3 टाइम्स ऑफ अल्फा वाय प्लस अल्फा झेड इज इक्वल टू, अल्फा कॉमन बाहेर काढलेला आहे, सो फर्स्ट इलेमेंट इज 4x minus 3y plus z. So that element is equal to 4x minus 3y plus z equal to how much, 0. So put that value here, that is alpha dot 0, and this value is equal to how much, 0. So we have obtained this equation is equal to how much, 0. Therefore this given element alpha dot u belongs to w. So this is our condition number 3. For all alpha belongs to field any scalar and u belongs to w. So this is your condition number 3. So with the help of equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3, as we have obtained in equation number 1, w is a non-empty set. In equation number 2 we have obtained this closure property with respect to addition, and in equation 3 we have obtained this third condition, that is closure property with respect to scalar multiplication. And from these three conditions, with the help of first theorem of subspace, we can clearly say W is a subspace of R3.